Alright, so these are going to be my engines that will be participating in competitions. I've got Old Trackmaster Hero. I got Tommy Thomas with Annie. Hopefully he'll do good. Caitlin. Lorenzo. Bet he'll do good. He's fast. Got Rebecca. One of the strongest and fastest engines I have at this moment. Dash. Rusty. Got Rusty at this moment. I think he'll do good. Old Trackmaster Edward. Sorry if I got him a little too close to the camera. It's Edward. Old Trackmaster Edward. Hopefully he'll do good. Got Tommy Spencer. We got Spencer. Hopefully he'll do good in some of my videos and challenges. For World's Strongest Engine, or Tag Team, or Fastest Engine. Now we got Snow Clearing Henry, also known as Old Trackmaster Henry. He's got some snow on his side, that's why he's called Snow Clearing Henry, but I don't have a snowplow though. This is Tommy Diesel 10. Also his Old Trackmaster, but it's just Tommy version. Hopefully you guys are aware of that. This is Ferdinand. Hopefully he'll do good. Talking Diesel with the tanker. Hopefully he'll do good. His light glows, and he can talk. That's just an odd way. Now we got Old Trackmaster Percy at this moment. I don't have a spare Percy for this part, but Percy will just do. Now we have Gordon. Got Gordon ready to roll in Spirits of Time. Now we have Stepney. It's a clearly useful engine for a good reason. And we've got Toad the Brake Van on the back. I'm pretty sure he might try his best. Now we've got Toby the Tram Engine, or called Toby. Something I sold from Amazon. Hopefully he'll do well in his challenges. Now we have Duck the Great Western Engine. Hopefully he'll do good in some of his challenges. Now we got Talking Racing Diesel. Hopefully he will try his best in some of these challenges. Yep, and he's a talking engine too. Next is Tommy Playrail Henry. The one I just got from eBay not long ago. He's in fantastic shape, to be honest. And I bet he's ready to do some good challenges. Now we've got Skarloey. Skarloey says hi to the camera. Next is Ben. I don't have Bill yet, but hopefully someday I'll try and get him. If it's Ben or Bill, it's mostly Ben. Then I just got him for Christmas not long ago. But I seriously need to get Bill, the twin engine. Next up, we got Young Bao. Young Bao from China. Roar. He has like a lion on his tender. Hopefully he will do good. Connor. We got Connor. He doesn't go very fast, but he's just going to try his best in his challenges. Hopefully those requests will be acceptable. Got Tommy James at this moment. This won't be that long, though. Alright, Old Trackmaster Flynn. I've got something on my mind at this moment. Dart. We got Dart next. Hopefully he will do good in some of these challenges that I try and do. Now we got Speed and Spark Thomas. And hopefully he will try his best in most of these challenges. If not, then he's kind of weak. We got Old Trackmaster Diesel. If I'm gonna be honest though, he's not my favorite. But I hope he will do good in some of these challenges. Royal Spencer. That's what his bunting name is supposed to be. You see the royal crests. That's why he's called Royal Spencer. Don't want to forget his tender though. It's just kind of scraped and scratched a bit. Ugh, okay. There you go. He's Royal Spencer. Now we got Scruff. Hopefully he will try his best in some of these challenges. He kind of has like a battery problem or something. But hopefully he will try. Now we have Rainbow Thomas. I just got that for Christmas not long ago. But I hope he will try his best in some of these challenges. But probably some cleaning too, as I can see some hair coming out. Alright, now we got New Trackmaster James. New Trackmaster James is strong though, if I'm gonna be honest. James is saying good luck to all of my engines. Up next is Stafford. Stafford is one of the main popular engines to be chosen. He's an electrical engine too, not gonna lie. But I hope he will do his best in some of these challenges, even though he can be weak. Now we got Hurricane. More like a Twister Hurricane, but this is actually Hurricane from the Steelworks. From the movie Journey Beyond Sodor. I don't like that movie though. I don't know why, but it's the truth. Now we have Kenji. The high-speed electric engine from Japan. He's gotten his passenger car with him, and I hope he will do best. Now we have Rheneas. Hopefully he will do his best to do some good stuff on challenges. Now we have Gator. I'm getting a Player L1 for Christmas soon, I hope. Otherwise, then I would have nothing else to do for a request. Now we have Gustavo. With his passenger car, he's pretty fast. Hopefully he can do his best. Now we got Talking Yellow Victor. also known as Victor, comes to Sodor. He's a talking engine, too. Just take a listen.
Hello, I'm Victor. Buenos dias, my friends.
Hopefully he'll do good in some of his challenges. Now we have Ryan. Ryan, the main popular engine from Thomas. In his first appearance, Legend of the Lost Treasure. Probably one of the worst movies I've had. Next up we have Muddy Thomas. Hopefully he can do his best to do every single challenge he can. Now we have new Trackmaster Diesel 10. I got that like years ago and it still works great. With Pinchy. Okay. Next up we have Duchess from Thomas and the Royal Engine. Hopefully she does well in these challenges I do. Oops. Now we have Crash and Repair Thomas. This is Crash and Repair Thomas. I hope he can do well in some of these challenges if he's crashed and repaired by then. We're halfway there. Alright, now we have Nia from Big World, Big Adventures, everybody's least favorite movie, followed by Misty Island Rescue, or possibly Day of the Diesels as well. But I really like both of these movies, except for Wobble, which is one of the worst, almost the worst of the entire series. I don't know, though. Another one from Big World, Big Adventures is Aquarium Thomas at this moment. I hope he can do well with a lot of fishies in his boiler. Now we got Lexi, the experimental engine. She's called Lexi, also from Journey Beyond Sodor. Alright. I don't know how hard it is for me to stretch and reach him. Now we've got Turbo Thomas. It's not Jungle Thomas, but we'll get him close enough. Turbo Thomas is the fastest of them all. Almost the fastest. I've got another engine that's faster than him. Now we got Samson. Samson is one of these engines I recommend myself in my words. Right, okay. Now we've got Freddy, or Fearless Freddy if you call him in the episode Fearless Freddy from Season 10. I find it weird though, but it's fine. I wish I had the Tommy Freddy. Hopefully I get that soon. Hopefully he can do good. Now I've got glow-in-the-dark Thomas at this moment. If I turn off the lights for nighttime, lights will just glow from the tracks. Hopefully he can do good. Now we've got Charlie. The jokester is back once again. I hope he can do good, even though with the bent rod. Sorry if it was blurry for a second, I have no idea what I just pressed. Now I've got glow-in-the-dark Diesel. Hopefully he can do good in these challenges. He may not be that fast, but he's pretty good, in my words. I've got Turbo Jungle Thomas, which I'm hoping he's the fastest of them all. only just for one test. Hopefully he can do fast on his challenges too. Now I've got new Trackmaster Edward. Alright, that is pretty darn well. Well, only 5 left from there. Now I've got new Trackmaster Flynn at this moment. It looks nothing like it, but it certainly does compare it much. Don't want to forget his tender. Now I've got Turbo Diesel. Wish I could get Turbo Percy, but I hope that's gonna happen soon. We got Turbo Diesel at this moment. With the airship stuff. For some reason, with the lightning bolts on the side of him. Hopefully he can do good and go fast as well. I've got Glow-in-the-Dark Thomas. Well, I'm saying, next to Freddy and Charlie was actually Hyperglow Thomas. I don't know what I just said. This is Glow-in-the-Dark Thomas. And I'm actually being serious. Oh well. This is new Trackmaster Hero. And I hope he can do well. He's actually done really well when I've done these off camera, but not posted on my channel at all. If I did that myself, then I would not be happy. And now we got one engine remaining. It's Celebration Thomas. It's Golden Thomas, celebrating 50 years. Alright, and that is all I have. All of my engines, we can all request them at that moment of time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.